Hello, this is Nate, and I'm here at Ilio Auto Body Shop. And today we just going to get started working on the damaged fiberglass fender. As you can see here, there it is. It's been taken out of the truck already. Right here. I'll show you guys the process in doing this. I'm going to set everything up really nicely. First off, what we got to start on this is we got to have to sand down and clean the area that we got to repair, especially underneath it. And I'm show you how to start with that process with the angle grinder and such. So let's get started. I'm gonna start sanding down here. Just a quick warning: fiberglass, when you sand it, the powder form, just all over the air and all over everything, it's really itchy. So you want to dress the proper attire for this. As much as you can. Try to seal your body away from it. Make sure you got a ventilated area. Don't do it in your living room or in the basement somewhere, because that's just a bad idea. Somewhere open that it can be vented and filtered through. Like over here, I got the spray booth paint here, where we paint the trucks and everything else. We got a fan here system that sucks everything up and filters it. So if you have somewhere, that you can get away with sanding this down and it won't get all over your house and too much on yourself, that's your decision what you guys gotta do. But just giving you a quick tip here, how it is. I'm gonna turn the fan on here and start the sanding down so you guys can see how it's a little bit how it's done here. Now you want to sand it the way of the contour of the shape of the fender or whatever it is. Like over here we got this line here that goes all the way across of the fender flanging out. You don't want to completely just grind that off away from there. So I'm just grinding it smooth, flat here. Then come back from this side here so I can try to keep that line on there as well. That goes the same thing as here and over here. Where the damage is, I'm caving it in a little bit so it can be like a slope end, because we're going to put fiberglass on top of it either. So at the end, when we start sanding down and bombing everything up, we want everything to kind of be as flush as possible. But that's what I'm doing right here, right now. On the other side, it's not going to be much of caving in. It's just going to scratch the other side up so we can put fiberglass there so it can stick on there, because it needs to be sanded down. But over here, we got to make sure we keep it the contour of the fender. We're not trying to make a hole, trying to distort the shape of the fender at all. We're just trying to cave in and clean up where the cracks are, but keep the overall shape of the fender, what we're doing here. going to bring the camera in closer so you can kind of see a little bit in a different angle what's really going on here. As I'm sanding it down, I'm keeping the angle grinder in an angle like so, like that. So I'm actually using this part here, the outer part, to sand down so I can have better control instead of having it flat like that. You want it in an angle like this so you can play around with it and grind where you want it to grind at. Just like that, you know? All right, I'm gonna finish up the rest here for you guys so you can see the final product of things here in the next clip here.